Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how not to be awkward around girls. Like it or not, women have a strong hold on men. And it's for this reason a man could be good looking, strong, successful, and yet still make a fool of himself in the presence of a woman. So are you tired of coming off as weird, or worse, as a pervert around women? Guess what? You're in luck, as we'll be sharing the 5 tips you'll ever need to stop being awkward around women. 1. Stop placing so much value on looks. Oh wow, she's so hot and perfect. I don't even mind if she gives me the crabs. Just shut it right there. That's your loins talking, and you really do not want to be thinking with your other head when around women. It's a recipe for disaster. So put on your good head and start thinking logically, because women are just people. So why put so much value on her looks when she's every bit human as you? When you come to terms with the fact that your crush is probably boring as hell, as shy as you, and deeply flawed, you'll be less awkward around her. So stand out and start attracting women by acting casually and naturally around them, like you would with guys and girls you're unattracted to. Looks should never be enough to get you fidgety and intimidated. Now, tip 2. Overcome your inferiority. You can never feel confident and act suave around women if you don't think much of yourself. Much of what fuels awkwardness in most guys is due to their low self-esteem and inferiority complex. You think to yourself, she's out of my league, I have poor social skills, my life is boring, or how would anybody like me? Yet you expect all these negative emotions not to suffice and ruin your encounter with women. You should definitely have a rethink, because you can't invest negative emotions and expect positive outcomes. Like it or not, that's just the way the universe works. You need to understand that by feeling less valued around women, you make it difficult for you to be yourself around them. You'll always try to impress or try not to mess up, and in the end, all you do is to come off as awkward. So boost your self-esteem and start believing in your self-worth. And thirdly, stop putting so much pressure on yourself. In any dealing with humans, there are no certainties, and it even gets more complicated with women. So stop putting so much pressure on yourself. You need to realize that not all conversations will go well, and you certainly won't have the Chuck Bass or James Bond effect on every girl. Even the self-acclaimed pickup artists don't have it smooth all the time. And still, that doesn't change the fact that they're good with women. So don't be hard on yourself just because a girl rejected you. It doesn't reduce your value or mean you're undesirable. Our advice? When you're with women, relax, and don't expect something great to result from every interaction. By doing this, you take off the pressure and give yourself the chance to confidently approach women without feeling bad even if it doesn't go well. And on number 4 is the need to stop thinking people are judging you. Being too self-conscious is one of the reasons why you are awkward around women. Because when you're in your head thinking to yourself that, am I sounding desperate? Is something stuck in my teeth? Does she find me attractive? You won't be able to concentrate on the things that really matter, like being confident, actively listening, and having a progressive conversation with the lady. You really should stop thinking if she's judging your actions or words, because she's also in her head evaluating herself. Just not as much as you. It's natural to be self-aware, but not excessively. And lastly, coming on number 5 is practice and be outgoing. Having poor social skills and being inexperienced at meeting women is a major reason why you are awkward around women. Let me ask you, how was the first time you tried public speaking? Nerve-wracking, you'll say. First, your voice gets hoarse. At some points, it even gets high-pitched. Keeping eye contact then becomes a problem. The experience is similar for guys that are awkward around girls. Acting awkward around women is as a result of the human brain pushing the panic button whenever it senses that you're in uncharted waters. So get out of your comfort zone. Be ridiculously outgoing. Frequently approach women, and watch yourself get better at interacting and attracting women like a pro. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.